New coin display case just showed up. Started unboxing it, but I figured I should hit record and let you guys see how it comes packaged in case you're thinking about getting one. I know I always like those videos. So it comes bubble wrapped. That's really nice. Wow, that looks awesome. Very lightweight also. And I really love the finish of the colors, all the stars. Looks super nice. Let's see what this other one looks like. Also looks awesome. A little bit of just dust right there. Yeah, just a little dust on it is all. But colors awesome. Well made, lightweight.